Hello YouTube friends, I want to thank you for watching another of my videos. Today we're going to go over the beautiful Hutton wallet. Now this wallet I have seen on a couple of other videos on YouTube, and I really fell in love with it once I saw it on video. I got this from the Coach outlet, but it was in the reserve section because it is a retail piece. And I believe I spent $78 on it. Let's see. Here's the information on it. It does not have the price, but I believe it was $78. It's the Color Block Hutton Wallet in Taupe Ginger Multi. And here's the item number for you. But it's just gorgeous. And the regular price on this for US price is $195 right there. Canadian price is $225, and then it just came with their new little card that has a QR code on it. Wear it, love it, pass it on. So it's a little bit different than the normal care package that we used to get in our Coach items. But this little wallet is really cute, and when I first saw it I thought, oh, that would make the cutest little micro purse, because there already was a Hutton shoulder bag, which is a small bag in itself. I think it was only like 8 inches across, and I'll put a picture of it up here somewhere. But there was already a Hutton shoulder bag that matched this perfectly, and then they came out with the Hutton belt bag, which had little it looked a little bit different. It was light on the back, and then it had 2 belt loops here and a brown belt that came with it, and then also a little chain that you could hook onto 2 hooks back here and wear it as a little crossbody bag. And that one was about, I think, an inch all around bigger than this. But I'll give you the dimensions on this little guy, because this is just the wallet, and it's about 5 1/4 inches long and 4 inches tall, and the width on this is 1.5. Okay, so it's a cute little guy. You've got a lovely back pocket here, and the colors on this are just so pretty. I think it's coming across pretty true to color, but I love the brass hardware on it with the turn lock. So you open it up, and this is very different than the belt bag. So it's not the same little bag, only without the loops. This is smaller, and it's got a lot more functionality inside. That one just has a few card pockets inside. So this one, you've got 1, 2 in the front, and they're lined in fabric. You've got the nice big pocket in the back. And then you've got the nice zippered compartment here. And that's even divided into 2 with a fabric divider. So you could store more cards in there, personal cards like insurance cards, things like that, coins, anything that you want to keep more private. Has that nice locking little zipper pull. And then you've got more card slots here, 2 here. Then you've got 2 more on this side. And then you've got another pocket in the back. So it's lined in leather on the inside, and I hope the lighting is okay on this and it's not blurry, but this is all leather. Beautiful. And then the edging of the card slots is leather, and this is leather in here, but then inside of the card slots it's just a nice soft fabric. So you've got a lot of functionality to it, and then you turn it to the side and you've got a place for bills. So when I got this, I was thinking, okay, if I wanted to turn this into a micro purse because it looks like a baby version of the real one, maybe I could just take, say, the chain from like a Felici type bag. Coach even has some chains. You've seen them all. This one needs to be polished, I'm sure. But I thought, well, you could just kind of sling it under the flap here and then just be really careful when you open it to use it. But look at this. See what I see? There's a hole in there for when you're putting the bills inside. And a full bill does fit. But look, what if you take the chain and you just feed it through that hole? Look at that. Then you don't have to worry about opening it and having your chain drop off of the bag because it's secured inside the front flap. Isn't that great? So let's put this in, and you can just kind of clasp these together just to make it work. And of course you can use any tiny chain strap. But there you go, look at that. It turns it into the cutest little micro bag. And this doesn't look bad at all. This would be on your shoulder. So you could wear it depending on the length of the chain as a crossbody or as a shoulder. But it's just the cutest little baby micro Hutton now. And now you can easily just have it on your shoulder, open it up, do your business like you normally would. Of course, you're not going to be able to put your phone in here, but you could put your keys in here. Those would fit depending on what type of keychain you have it on, and then you can put your cash and your cards, everything else that you need for the evening out. And it's not sticking out. It's secured by the flap. Isn't that great? I love that idea. So it gives this little bag extra functionality as a bag or as a wallet, and you're not stuck with a belt bag with things hanging off the back when you're trying to put it in a nice purse or something. So I think that's really good. Now see, I do see something here. It falls down. So let me see. Got to just make sure it stays up in its top flap area. Keep it up there. But that shouldn't be a problem. That is so cute. And it doesn't seem like it'll really damage the wallet either because it's not a really rough chain or anything. You're not going to be moving it around too much. But anyhow, that is my idea for the adorable Coach Hutton wallet. You get double duty out of it as a really cute little micro bag. And it's very easy to take that chain right back out again. And just use it as your normal functional little wallet. Really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I'd like to get up to 1,000, but I do appreciate all of your views and comments. And if you have a video that I could possibly do for you that you'd like to see, please leave that down below. Leave a suggestion for me for something you might like to see later. I could use new ideas. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time.